In these lab activities, it is asked to prepare the following worksheet and format is given. Calculate total marks and percentage with sum and average function. Find maximum marks in each subject and total and percentage marks. Find minimum marks in each subject and total and percentage marks. We have to perform this task in MS Excel. So let's go to the MS Excel. Now you have to type this data or get this typed document from your lab activities folder. Let's apply the title of this worksheet. Select the cell range A1 to I2. Now click the merge and center option from alignment group of home tab. Now type the title Sri Triveni HS School. Hold the Alt key and press enter. Type subtitle Katari. Now increase the font size of title. Select the title and click the font drop down button. I said 26 point. It is in boldface. Click the bold option from font group. Now select the subtitle. Increase the font size. Click the drop down button of font size. I said 20 point. It is also in boldface. Click the bold option from font group. Now let's go ahead for calculation. First I calculate the total marks. Place the cursor in H4 cell. I like to use auto sum feature to calculate the total marks. Click the drop down button of auto sum and select the sum function. Press the enter key. Now copy this formula in rest of the cells. Now calculate the percentage. Place the cursor in I4 cell. Click the drop down button of auto sum. Click the average function. Now look here, cell range is selected automatically, but something is selected more. This total marks should not include over here. Now correct it. It should be selected up to G4 cell. So correct it over here, G4. Now press the enter key. Now percentage marks is calculated. Copy this formula in rest of cell. Click the fill handle and drag it. Now calculate the maximum marks. Place the cursor in C9 cell. Now click the auto sum drop down button. Click the max function. Press the enter key. Now calculate the minimum marks. Cursor is already placed in the C10 cell. Click the drop down button of auto sum and click the min function. It should be selected up to C8. So correct here C8. Press the enter key. Now minimum marks is also calculated. Now copy these both formula using the fill handle. Click the fill handle and drag it. Now look here, our work is completed. You have to practice again and again to develop the computing skill in MS Excel after watching this video.